In this video, we are gonna talk about contacting brands and opening up wholesale accounts. For all of you who are doing Amazon wholesale, maybe you already have a list of brands that you want to start selling on Amazon. Well, in this video, we are going to give you the trick on how to open up wholesale accounts with those brands. So you wanna make sure you stay all the way until the end. Let's go. Guys, welcome to yet another exciting video. In this video, we're gonna talk about contacting brands, how to open up wholesale accounts with already popular brands on Amazon so you can purchase their products at bulk price. All right, so this video is gonna give you a lot of our secrets on how we open up accounts with brands or directly with distributors. But before we get started, I want you to, number one, subscribe to the channel. I want you to like this video and to enter our contest where we give out $100 to one person that does the following: subscribes to the channel, likes the video, and comments the word Amazon wholesale below. I'll pick one of you and I'll send you $100 directly to your PayPal. All right, guys, and saying that, congratulations to the winner from our past video. Boom, it's right here. Just make sure that you message me on Instagram, message me your PayPal, and I'll send you $100 directly to it, okay? All right, guys, let's get into it. All right, guys, this lesson is gonna be taught by one of our head coaches inside the AMC Academy coaching program. What is the AMC Academy? Well, it's our one-on-one Amazon coaching program where we work with you one-on-one and we help you launch your first product on Amazon. Whether it is you are doing Amazon private label, launching your own brand, or you're selling popular brands, which is Amazon wholesale, we teach both, okay? And not only that, I want to say it's very clear, our program is not a digital course where you're just getting videos. We're actually working with you one-on-one. It's a coaching program. And we show you step by step how to do everything, okay? We meet with you weekly on a Zoom meeting, and we hold you by the hand on launching your first few products on Amazon. I'm a true believer on coaching and helping someone one-on-one. That's the real way. That's the only way you are actually going to get people results, because Amazon does have a lot of moving parts. And it does require a lot of attention. You can break, an Amazon terms of service and you can get your account taken down. So it's always good to have someone looking over your shoulder, and that's exactly what we offer. So if you are interested in joining our coaching program, I've left a completely free training video that'll show you in detail how Amazon wholesale works. After watching the video, you can apply to our coaching program. Since it is one-on-one, we're very selective on who can get in. So you do have to just answer some questions. And if we do see that you are a good fit, you will be able to book a completely free call with my team. We'll talk about your goals with the business, and we'll talk about how my team and I can personally help you start a successful Amazon business. All right, guys, let's get started.
Hey, everybody. My name is Asher with Ecom Dave. And in this recording, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to basically contact different brands and also contact different distributors. Okay. So once you have your 1,000 list of brands and brands that you're going to be basically contacting with, I highly recommend that you go ahead and start contacting different distributors in the very beginning, because it's a lot easier to get a wholesale account set up with those guys than it is with the direct brand. Lots of times with direct brand, they may just tell you, no, we don't want you to have a wholesale account with us, or maybe even possibly they may not even answer back. But with a distributor, it may be a whole lot easier in the very beginning. Now, that doesn't mean that you're never going to get a wholesale account with the direct brand. You might have some really good products, let's say, with that particular distributor, right? But you may have some good products with that distributor, but if you do find some good wholesale products with them, then eventually your goal would be to try to go ahead and get that contract with them, okay? So in the very beginning, how do we do this, right? So if we come over here to Google, the first thing you want to do is type in basically the name of that particular brand that you're trying to get with. So I'll type in vitamin water, and then after that, you want to write in distributor, okay? I'm looking for vitamin water distributors. And the second thing is I want to make sure that I avoid all the sponsored links that you see right here on the page. because chances are it might not really be what you're really looking for. But I'm going to be just scrolling through. I'm really looking for something that like basically pops out saying that, hey, this is a distributor for that brand. So this one right here, vitamin water distributor. So I'm just going to click on that. And usually what happens is when I get to a distributor's website, next thing I'm going to probably do is look for a contact us button, or maybe even look for something that says like wholesale. So like right here, there's this little, this right here, refer to a retailer to us, but that's not what we're looking for. Then I see there's a contact us right here. So when I click contact us right here, it's going to ask me to put in my name. So I'll write in my name, my phone number, my email, and then I'm going to go ahead and answer this question. And then right here in this message, this is where you're going to be sending out your first initial message. Okay. So usually with this, I would write something like, we are looking to add a few high quality product lines to our store. We would like to set up a wholesale account. We have attached our resale certificates. Okay. If you need anything else to set up an account, please send it over and we will get back to you as soon as possible. So I can see right here on this message, I can go ahead and attach my reseller certificate, and then we'll go ahead and send that message. Okay. So that is initially how you can contact a distributor, right? Now, sometimes when, let's say I was doing a brand, let's say Rise supplements. Now, if I'm doing a brand, I would type in wholesale instead. And I would basically look for a direct to manufacturer website like this one, Rise Supplements at risesubs.com. I would click wholesale sign up. And when I get here, I would just go ahead and write in my last name, my phone number, my email, retail store name. If you don't have a retail store name, you could just write in the name of your Amazon store, more than likely. Your address. So the address is going to have to be the same address that's linked to the Amazon Seller Central account. And then right here in the comment section, you can write something like this. We are looking at the products your brand offers and would like to set up a wholesale account. If possible, could you please send over the wholesale application to get set up to begin purchasing your products? We are a small company looking to grow and offer more selection to our future clients. Thank you for this opportunity and allowing us a chance to accomplish our vision. And then we can go ahead and just submit the form after that. Okay. Now, of course, like when you're contacting different brands and distributors, I would just highly recommend, like in the very beginning, do not mention that you are a seller on Amazon. And the reason why we don't want to do that from the get-go is because that can also deter or maybe change their mind and them actually considering you to actually start selling their products. I hope you guys found this helpful, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.
All right, did you guys like that? I know you did. If you haven't yet, make sure that you have subscribed to the channel, give this video a like, and comment the word Amazon wholesale below for a chance to win $100 directly to your PayPal. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next.